Hello, puzzle devotees. Today you'll see that after I build a puzzle, often I make a few whimsical shorts. The Pawfessional. I got this idea because the puzzle is actually a parody of the movie The Professional. The second clip is what I actually used for my Instagram account. And my third clip is me toying around with the deconstruction. Generally, I have a lot of fun doing this. I'm really happy I have this YouTube channel that I can show you the other things that I do with the same puzzle image. It's so fun sharing it with you. Please consider subscribing